everybody, welcome to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I'm going to show you the cutest little shoe DIYs for all of your holiday looks. Now I'm doing these on little shoes, but this will work on any size canvas shoe. I'm cutting out the designs and doing an applique. We're using 100% cotton fabric. Fabric Mod Podge. This is going to be very durable. We're going to give it 3 top coats, and to add all of that sparkle and shine, I'm using Mod Podge Sparkle and of course our little detail paint brushes to just paint that on the areas where I want a little glitter. This is a really cute gift idea and an easy DIY, so let's dive into this craft. I'm starting with canvas shoes and 100% cotton fabric and Fabric Mod Podge. First, you're going to cut out your fabric design. You want to cut as close to the edge as possible, and you're going to probably want some of those half shapes for the edges. You can see that Mod Podge fabric is a very thick formula. You're just going to paint that onto the back of your cutout, and then place the cutout right onto the shoe. Press good with your finger. Make sure those edges are really secure and down. You're going to continue on the shoe until the whole thing is covered with the design that you like. For this, I'm just doing the little Santa faces. I am leaving a little space there because I'm going to add some gems. This is where you can use those little side pieces or those half pieces. It's a really cute look to make it look like it's coming off. Now we're going to top coat. Make sure you do 3 top coats with dry time in between. Next, we're going to add some of that glitter that I was talking about. This is Mod Podge Sparkle. The glitter is already in there, so this is not going to flake off and it's going to glue down beautifully. I'm going to use some gem glue to attach some rhinestones just to add a little bit more sparkle and make these kind of extra special for Christmas. On the little Santa holly there, I'm going to add some red gems. You can really deck these out however you want. Look how cute those turn out with that little bit of sparkle. Okay, next I want to show you the Hello Kitty. For this one, because the whiskers were so detailed, I'm cutting around it and leaving that pink edge. And I'm just going to do 3 appliques on this. So I'm doing the Hello Kitty in the center, and then I'm going to do the 2 little trees on the side. But again, you can fill in the whole shoe. This is just one way to do it. So you do you. Here I'm doing that top coat again. It's going to be 3 top coats, and let's add a little bit more of that glitter. And I should say with those top coats, I am letting it dry in between. And I'm making sure I get the edges really good. I'm going to add a little bit more of those red gems to her bow. So cute. What a cute little Christmas print this is. There's so many great prints out there. So whatever character you love, just go and look for some of those holiday fabrics. Of course, we've got to do something with the Grinch. For this one, I cut very close to him. It was fussy cutting, but it was easy to do. And I'm going to do this one kind of minimalist. I'm going to glue that right there in the center of the shoe using the Fabric Mod Podge. You can see you've got a little bit of time to work with it. Let's get that down and press really good and get those edges really good. Again, doing 3 top coats with the dry time in between each top coat and adding our glitter. He just looks adorable. Thanks so much for joining me today. I think these just turned out so adorable. Now this was the applique look, but if you wanted to do an all over one, I do have some videos where I show you how to pattern out a shoe and how you can do an all over look. So I'll add some links in the comments for those videos too. Thanks so much for being here with me. I'll be back next week with some more fun crafts to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.